All right, so we want the contrapositive of this. And what we've got here is if A and B are both positive, so this is kind of if A and B are both positive, and A is less than B, then, so here's the then bit, then this. So we want to go backwards and the opposite. So first look at this, the opposite of that is, so we'd say, we would say if, and this time instead of 1 on A is less than 1 on B, 1 on A, the opposite would be greater or equal to 1 on B. That would be the kind of opposite of that. So if 1 on A is greater or equal to 1 on B, that's that part, then, okay, so now we're up to this bit here. And still working backwards, let's see what's the opposite of that. That would be A is less than or equal to B. Right, the opposite of that. And then the opposite of this would be or. So and goes to or. And then this is a whole thing. So the opposite of this, A and B both being positive, would be, well, the kind of opposite would be, well, at least one of them wouldn't be positive. So at least one of them would be negative, right? So that's it's kind of that contradicts that. So what do we got? Or at least one of A and B, so one of those two things is negative. Sorry about the bad writing. Okay, so we went backwards, we negated this, or we contradicted that, so we had 1 on A is greater or equal to 1 on B. Then we contradicted this, so A is less than or equal to B. We contradicted the and, so it becomes or. And then the other statement we contradicted as well, so at least one of A and B is negative. So that's the contrapositive. It's saying the same thing in a different way.